Lords, I'm very pleased to take part in this short debate. I'd like to add my support to the noble Baroness Lady Thornhill's motion and, along with others, wish her a speedy recovery. I'm grateful for the impressive way in which the noble Lord Shipley took on this at very short notice. I declare my interest as set out in the register. I am the owner of one apartment in Birmingham, currently privately let. I also echo the concerns of other noble lords. I had intended to add some statistics. I'm a mathematician by background, but I think you've had enough numbers probably in this short debate already. My lords, it's my privilege to chair the Manchester Homelessness Partnership. It brings together not only our city council and public sector bodies, but the private sector, the universities, all the blue light services, health and charities. We have fought hard and long, and we've actually got rough sleeping down in our city since it peaked around 2018. But increasingly what I'm finding, along with my colleagues, is that those who end up on the streets are not there as they used to be due to primarily a breakdown in relationships, a marital relationship, or children leaving home after a dispute. Nor is it mental health problems, although that is still a major concern. Increasingly, it's simply because they've lost a private tenancy because they're not able to pay the rent. We've heard how rents have gone up. Homelessness, my lords, carries a great cost. It creates a heavy drain on public funds. We've heard that, but even more crucially, as Lord Shipley said, it wrecks the lives of ordinary, decent members of our community. It doesn't take long to end up homelessness. It takes years to get out of the pit that you've fallen into. It's a long, slow and painful process, as I know from having befriended people who've been rough sleepers on the streets of my city. Lords, I'm also concerned by the somewhat opaque nature of the explanatory material about this that's been provided by the Department for Work and Pensions. The Secondary Legislation Scrutiny Committee's report states that the explanatory material laid in support of the statutory instrument provides insufficient information to gain a clear understanding about the instrument's set policy objective and intended implementation. Indeed, it doesn't go much more than stating simply that for 2021-22 and 2022-23, all rates were frozen at the same cash levels that were set in 2020-21. That's not an explanation. There's no understanding of what the policy is in that. As the committee's report states, this makes this House's scrutiny role much more challenging. We need to know why something is being done if we're going to scrutinise it properly. So to conclude, I add my support to the noble Baroness's motion and echo the calls of many in the housing sector as well as noble lords in this debate who are urging the government to unfreeze local housing allowance now.